Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install a Linux server to a virtual machine on your local Windows host. I will use Ubuntu 18.04 as my Linux server. So let's head to the official Ubuntu server. I will pick the server image because I like to work with the command line. If you click the link, the download will start, but I will skip this step now because I have already downloaded the ISO image. So let's go to browser and start the Hyper-V. Here we can create a new virtual machine. If you click New and Virtual Machine, you can skip the first step. I will name my virtual machine Ubuntu 18.04. I'm fine with the Generation 1 option. I will take 4 gigs of RAM and I will connect the virtual machine to my default switch so that I can connect to the virtual machine from my host. Okay, the settings for your virtual hard drive are fine. Let's click next. And here we have to select the downloaded ISO image. And again, click next. You can review the selected settings, and if you are happy with them, just click finish. So the virtual machine is now created. We can double click it and click start to boot our machine. At this step, we have to wait a few moments. Okay, the window is expanded, it's a good sign. So fine. I will pick English as my default language. I am prompted with an installer update, which I will skip now. So I will continue without updating. I prefer American English keyboard layout, so okay, let's continue. The prompted IP address for my network card is fine. I don't need any proxy addresses. Here again, we can keep the default settings. Let's use the entire disk. Okay. We can again review the settings and continue with the installation. My name is Chingis. My server name will be +0. It will be also my username. So type in your password twice. Press tab and continue. I will also install the OpenSSH server. You can enable it with your key space. Double press your tab key and press enter. Here I don't need any of this software, so I can press tab and continue. And now the installation process will start. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes. So I will pause the recording now and I will be back in a few minutes. See you. Okay, the installation is complete. So we will press reboot. Okay, the machine complains about the mounted ISO file. So we can just turn it off. Let's confirm it and start the machine again. The machine will be started without the mounted ISO image, so it will not complain about it any longer. The machine has successfully booted. We can now press enter and log in with our username, so it was put 0, and our password. We can get the IP address of our virtual machine by typing the following command. And to confirm that we can communicate with the machine, I will run my git bash and use the ping command uh, to the IP address of my virtual machine. So now we can see the communication is okay. The virtual machine is installed. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you liked this video, please give me a like. See you soon. Bye bye.